You know what a Harley Quinn is? A Harley Quinn's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. No one gives two shits who we are beyond that.
I'm a little bit nervous to go in like this.
Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be this makeup look. It is inspired by the original Harley Quinn. I know it is not accurate. It was just inspired by the character since today we went to the premiere of Joker. DC Comics have been a worldwide phenomenon, mainly the Batman, the Joker, Penguin, you know, Riddler. Those kinds of characters have been a worldwide phenomenon, and the Joker movie just came out today. We went to go see the first premiere in my city. I was in the middle of filming this tutorial, but I ran out of time. We had to go to the premiere, so my makeup wasn't like this. It wasn't fully finished. So, you know, I'm gonna insert some clips here.
I'm a little bit nervous to go in like this because they had a sign that said no masks or costumes, but this is makeup, so I don't know if they're gonna say something. I'm literally in a tank top and jeans, so whatever.
I still had a lot of fun. I still got a lot of looks going into the movie theater, and I did wear a wig that wasn't fully brushed, but hey, we sort of made it work. All right, sort of. So many people ask me who my favorite superhero is, and I don't really have a favorite superhero, but I always have a favorite supervillain, and there's like three. My top three are going to be Joker. Joker's number one. I have Voldemort and Darth Vader. Those are my three top supervillains. I really don't care for the superheroes. Don't get me wrong, I love Harry Potter. Harry Potter is probably, like, if you want to consider him a superhero, he's my favorite superhero, but I'm more into the villain's story and the villains winning, except for in Harry Potter, okay? Harry Potter is the only one that, you know, Harry Potter had to win. Voldemort couldn't win. That's just crazy. Anyway, so I always root for Joker, always root for Darth Vader, even though you're not supposed to. Those are just my favorites. Their stories, to me, are just way more interesting than the superheroes. Superheroes, to me, are a little too cookie cutter, you know? So supervillains, they have more of an intriguing story as to why they are the way they are, and I always like that. I always like knowing why are they so crazy? Why are they so messed up? So I was really excited to see this premiere today. I couldn't wait. When I saw that they were gonna be doing this movie a month ago, I was like, all right, I'm purchasing tickets ahead of time. We're gonna go see this, and this is gonna be great. And I was like, you know what? Joker's coming out today. Let's do a Harley Quinn inspired tutorial. I wanted to do Joker, but at the same time, I was like, no, I want to do Harley Quinn because I really do like the character Harley Quinn. My best friend Megan is obsessed with Harley Quinn. I am so excited to go see Birds of Prey. Cannot wait till February. Honestly, hands down, the best female supervillain I've ever seen. I'm sorry, that's my favorite, okay?
It's like a sleepover. We should order pizza.
With these tutorials, I wanted to show you guys a little bit more into my life because I do love movies. I love going to the movies and I love just goofing around. I wanted to show you guys more of what my life consists of when I just, you know, am having a date night or just going to the movies, honestly, more than once throughout the month. So I hope you guys enjoy the way I filmed this video, and hopefully I can put a little bit more time and effort into filming videos more like this, giving some more B-roll, you know, showing my, you know, just kind of like a vlog, like a day in my life, you know, besides me just doing makeup behind the camera, you know, just me chilling. Yeah. And if you do, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the KB family to see more videos like this. Let me know what I can do to improve my videos, and let's get into it. All right. So we're starting off with some Anastasia eye primer. I'm gonna be using the Norvina palette because it does have a red and black in there, and those are the main colors I'm working with. We're gonna take D3, which is a bright cherry red. We're gonna go in the inner part of the crease. The next color I'm taking is D5, and we're gonna put that in the outer half. I'm gonna carve this out using my trusty Morphe M421 brush. I'm gonna take my Wolfe face paint in white and apply that on the crease. And I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and take D5 this time and go in the inner corner. And so right where it starts for the black on the top crease, we're gonna stop the black on the inner crease and then start the red. I'm gonna take a Morphe M167 brush, which is a flat shader brush. I'm gonna take a D3 on that brush and start going in with the red. I was trying to find health insurance for myself and I put my phone number, dumb butt put my freaking phone number, and I keep getting phone calls that I have to keep blocking, so. I don't know how I feel about the white in the crease. I may just go in with some more concealer. So I applied some D3 onto the lid. And then I'm gonna go in with some D5 on the outer corner with an angled brush. I take a D3 and fill out the inner part of the outer corner. But we're also gonna go in with some D5 and just fully blend that out. And I'm taking my flat shader brushes for both of that. I'm trying to keep it clean on the lid, but it doesn't really matter because we're still gonna go in and clean it up because I do want it to be as precise as possible. I'll wait for my under eye to dry from applying the makeup wipe. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some false lashes and I'll be right back. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the flat shader brushes we were using and I'm gonna go in with, let me do red first, but I am going in with, I'm gonna take D5 and apply that right underneath the lash line. Going with whatever's left on the brush for D3 and just blend it out. I'm going to take my e.l.f. liquid liner and I'm going to apply this pretty much straight down, and then I'm just going to connect two little lines to make a little triangle because I wanted it to be thinner. I tried. I'm really bad with straight lines. Okay. I'm taking my Wolfe FX face paint, and this is what Hydrocolor, meaning you need water to activate this. Okay. Whew, all right. I'm going to have to let that dry, but I'm going to carve that out as well. Can you lower it a little bit, please, babe? Thank you. We already went to go see the movie. We came back. I threw on my lipstick real quick. I had a really ratchet wig on. I was able to brush this one out a little bit, so it looks a little bit better. But I kind of contoured my nose, but I had the idea of doing like a blush nose. So I'm gonna take some D3. Try to lightly apply that kind of as contour. For lips, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Midnight, sorry. And I'm just going to be applying this on the lips. I'm going to take my thin liner brush and drag out the smile. My camera cut off, but I'm applying my Fenty Beauty Uncensored Lip Paint in the center of the lips. I did leave it bare so I can blend this out. I'm probably gonna go back in with a little bit more black because I don't want it to be mostly red. And that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the K-Bae family, and comment down below on what tutorial you would like to see next for next week so I can get to it, get working on it, get some costume and whatnot. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.